Uh, we will we already seen that the types of the statistics. Okay, so in detail now in this video we will see the descriptive statistics in detail. The descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is a, summary statistic that quantitatively describes or summarizes the feature of a collection of information, while descriptive statistics in a mass noun sense is the process of using and analyzing those the statistics. Okay, in other words, we can say that the descriptive statistics are the brief informational coefficients that summarizes the given data set. Okay, we can which we can be either a representation of an entire population or a sample of a population. Okay, so these descriptive statistics are broken down into the measure of a tendency and the measure of a variability. Variability means what? Spread. Okay, so mm descriptive statistics is distinguished from the impartial statistics, which or inductive statistics. In that, descriptive statistics aim to summarize a sample. As I already told you that it is what it is a brief informational coefficient which summarizes the given data set. Okay, so rather than use the data to learn about the population that the sample of the data is to represent. Okay, and the next part is what? Impartial statistics. It is what it is a we can say see, one more thing about the descriptive statistics. What I say, it summarizes or describe the characteristics of the data set. Okay, and it consists of the three basic categories of the measure. First one is a measure of a central tendency, measure of the variability, and the frequency distribution. One more is added. Okay, basically, measure of a central tendency describes the center of the data set. That is a mean mode medium. Center of the data set means what? We can include that the mean mode median, which we already learn in the 10th or the 10th or in a 12th standard. Okay, in a statistics chapter. Next one is what? Measure of the variability, which describes the dispersions of the data set. That is a variance and a standard deviation. Okay, a measure of a variability means what? It describes the dispersion of the data set. It includes the variance and the standard deviation. And the last one is what? Measure of the frequency distribution. It describes the occurrence of the data within the data set. Means we can get the count of the data. We can get the count of the data within the data set. Okay, so this is a descriptive statistics. And also we can say that it in short we can say that it helps the describe and understand the features of the specific data set by giving us short summaries about the sample and the measure of the data. Okay, so this is all about the descriptive statistics.